Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your mobile. Go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Tap Accounts Center. Scroll down and tap Personal Details. Select Account Ownership and Control. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Instagram account. Tap Delete Account. Tap Continue. And again, tap Continue. Choose a reason for deleting and press Continue. And click the Continue. And again, press Continue. And enter your password. Tap Delete Account to confirm. Instagram gives you about 30 days to change your mind. If you log in again during this time, you can cancel the deletion. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Instagram account.